Hello friends, how are you? And welcome to this video for my experience with a Brazilian straightening. I previously had this treatment done, but this year I've begun to log the product that I use and how long the effect lasts. For example, prior to this treatment, I used Perlas de Caviar, which is a very natural product. However, because of this, the effect was a little bit shorter and it only lasted 1 to 2 months. So it was a little disappointing. So for this video, I'm going to show you my experience with the product Italian Max. I had the treatment done in the new salon by Lucrecia Black Belleza, and I'm going to take you with me and show you how the process was done, and then I'm going to share my first impressions with you. First, they will wash your hair. I'm sorry I forgot to film this. They will dry it and untangle it. Then place the product on your hair and let it be absorbed. Following that, they will dry it and straighten it. After this, they will wash it again and dry it. And straighten one last time. The immediate result is very straight and manageable hair. After they do your straightening, you're going to be asked not to wash your hair for 3 days. It's hard, I know. And on the 3rd day, you're going to wash it with a shampoo and conditioner without salt or sulfate. And you're going to keep using this product. And also, when you do your everyday care, you are going to want to dry it a little bit so that the heat will activate the straightening process. And that's the way you can keep it for about 2 to 3 month period. Now for my first impression, I have straight hair with a lot of volume, so I like to do this treatment to keep it under control. This is my hair at about a week's time, and it's been more manageable. The volume has gone down and it's really easy for me to get ready in the morning. So I'm very content with the effect, and I'll keep you posted on my final impressions. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you liked it. Don't forget to visit muchaole.com for more on this post, and of course, show me some love and subscribe for more videos like this. I hope I see you soon. Bye!